Here we go, guys. Tuesday, August 2nd. Looking at Robinhood, symbol HOOD. And the reason being is that they had earnings come out today. Oh, they're sitting after the market. And so it's going to be interesting to see what the market does, institutions, retail, tomorrow with this news. They were negative in one area, a little bit positive in another, but, that's a pretty big negative being 6.4 off on the earnings percentage. But anyway, they also published that they are cutting about 23% of the jobs. Now, as crazy as that sounds, the majority of times when a CEO states they're going to be cutting jobs, the stock actually pumps, goes up in price. Yeah, like I was saying, is as crazy as that sounds. So we'll see tomorrow. There was other negative news that came out as well. The fine, I think it was 30 million or something. SEC fined them, for some sort of crypto trading violation or something. But anyway, what we're looking to do is just sit on the sidelines, see which way this thing breaks. And many times you get this two down. In other words, two red candles closing down into a green candle, and then the third candle you get a breakout, and then high percentage of times that breakout continues to the upside. However, in this situation, it was a day of earnings. If it hadn't been for that, we would probably say we're going to break out and retest this high pivot over here, which is about 14-15% move to the upside. But we'll have to see. Again, sit on the sidelines and watch what, and just go with the momentum, because just like Mother Nature, the market's always right, whether they are or not. That's where the price is either going to go break to the upside because of the 23% cut in jobs, which will help their overhead for next quarter, or people will look at the other aspects of the earnings and go short. So we have that red dash line there. If we break it, this high pivot here, that 0.38 fib, that'll be a nice little indication that price wants to go higher, and we'll see if it'll gap up or gap down in the morning. And if it we have the answer for both. If it gaps up, we'll look for the next resistance zones, which would be that 0.5 fib, this high pivot, this one over here, kind of in the same area to actually go short on. And then if it gaps down, in other words, the price, closed, 923, then if it opens up at, $9, 845, 850, whatever, we'll be looking on the left side of the chart for potential, bottom plays, gap support plays to, potentially go catch a long position, catch those retailers off guard. And then if we put on our 50, we're just over the 50 simple day moving average, which is really kind of a big deal. And then if it gaps up, we're looking at the 100 possibly being, helping with resistance there. So a couple of things we'll be keeping our eye on, regarding Robinhood in the near term. But okay, guys, hang in there. Have a great rest of your evening, and we will see you on the charts.